What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to search for jobs on a LinkedIn. Now there's two ways how to actually do this. If you're on your LinkedIn account, you can simply click on jobs from the many options here, and you can basically scroll through and find jobs from here. It says explore companies. You can go through here and you can explore companies and see different jobs that they're currently offering, right? So you can go ahead and you can find, you can click, and you will be able to find jobs that are basically available, right? So you can go ahead and you can scroll through and you can find companies, right? And you can see if they're actually offering jobs. And in order to find that, once you're on that company website or the company page on LinkedIn, go on the jobs section here and you will see if they have any jobs offering here as well. And you can write that you're interested or not, as you can see, for example, this one. Alternatively, if you're just looking randomly and you want to just search for something specific, you can use a search. So let's say I want to look for let's say IT jobs, right? I can go ahead and I can say or information technology or information security or whatever, information system, information technology manager, it doesn't matter. Let's say I'm looking for something, I can type it in and then you will see immediately that it starts to search for jobs. If it's not on jobs and it's on people or on something else, you can go ahead and you can switch that, right? You can easily go ahead, you can click the drop down, you can switch it to jobs, and once you switch it, you will be able to see that it shows jobs, and you can scroll through and you can find jobs, you can open them, right? You can right click, you can open them in a new window, you can even do the easy apply, or you can see whatever it shows for each section. You can click on each and you will see that it gives you a preview for each. You get a description as well, and you can just simply scroll through and you will be able to apply. So as I said, you can open up them just like this by clicking, and it's opening on a new window. And once you're in a new window, you'll get full details about the jobs. You can save the jobs, you can apply, and so forth, right? But the quick view that I showed you directly is basically you can just scroll down, click on each. You have the quick details here on this side just as the same. And then once you find jobs here that you like, you can follow the processes, straightforward processes to apply for jobs. But that's how you easily find jobs on LinkedIn. At the top here, guys, you have other things such as salary. You can filter between salaries. You can filter between the date when it was posted. You can filter between the level of experience, the companies as well. You'll find some top companies there, if it's remote or not, or hybrid or on site. If it's this easy apply, you can see if they have that kind of option or not. So you have all those necessary filters that you can filter. You can filter between countries, so you can switch. If it's not US, you can switch to a different country of your choice. Let's say you want to look for something in Canada, you can so type in Canada, whatever you want, and you'll be able to find those jobs. I really hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and thank you guys for watching.